have been looking for in the U.S. is young superstars. We came to Madrid, Spain. We've got one of the young superstars right here. Take a look at this young man right here. We've already checked his ID. Tommy fills in, and you're one of the young superstars. So Kenny, introduce our guest, because we got one of the premier integrators out of Norway right here. Tell our listeners a little bit who we got.
Love to, Eric. We have Tommy Hodgenes and Runar Soli from Hoist.
Well, I'll tell you what, the thing about it is Norway is the place to be. You guys pretty much dominate there from what we're hearing. We'll hear great things about you guys. Tell our worldwide community a little bit about your company and what you guys do.
Okay, we are a system integrator. Basically, we're doing BMS systems. We have our own software and hardware portfolio. And then we're also looking into to spread out a little bit on the hardware platform, and that's why we're looking at good partners. And for us, it's important that we have, good relations. We get the support that we need. We get all the technical know-how through the partners, so we can use the products in the right way.
Absolutely, and of course, in the U.S. we see a big trend to open systems. And speak about it. Are your customers asking for more open systems, Tommy?
It's in every specification that the people that are demanding this, they always say it need to be open, it need to be this and this protocol. And at this moment, BACnet is the most important protocol in Norway. Yeah. Every project we have, we see BACnet. So one of the reasons we had to reach out for ECIO, and I knew Johan from a long time ago, and so we had to see on the new product, and we saw the Beast, and we tried it. And it was so much quicker than what we had been tried earlier, and also it's so easy to do. It's live. You can do everything with IP instead of the USB and everything.
Nice.
So that's one of the game changers for us.
Really, really cool. So talk about your typical customer that you work with.
One of the biggest customer we have is schools. We have a big project. They have more than 200 schools, and we of course want to do most of the schools. so we have to have the best product, and we have to have the best price as well. And that's one of the reasons we are here. We need to see what's out there. We need to find the best product.
Excellent.
Well, it seems like one of the trends we're seeing in the U.S. too, you mentioned something, Tommy, the best product. And what we're seeing in the U.S. is more and more customers are wanting like a hybrid system, if you will. And I think EasyIO has a great plant controller, really fits in, couples with other things. Are you guys seeing that as well? Where
we also see that it's a trend that you need a SCADA system on the top. And the SCADA system isn't always on the building. So if you lose connection to the SCADA system, that is a complete other. It's
disaster,
it's maybe 200 miles away. Then you have the local. You have to use some local HMI instead. And with the Beast, you have the integrated web server, so you can just switch on that and use that instead. So that's one of the good hybrid ways of doing it, I think.
But one of the things in the U.S. that EasyIO is great at is the support. We get great support from EasyIO in the U.S. What about you guys in Norway?
Our relation with ECIO has been very good. Like you said, the support has been fantastic. We get the response that we need in the time that we need it, and also I think we can leverage on the technical know-how, and also use some of the newer technologies that are not that well known yet. Yeah. So we are a company that we have our software development, and we can use that to enhance the product integration.
Another big trend in the United States is the dashboards, energy dashboards, and energy, the analytics, aggregating all that data. Is that also a big trend now in your neck of the woods?
Yes, absolutely. I think it's very important that you show energy consumption, of course, for the different parts of the building, and you are able to drill down into the specific measurement equipment and see where is actually all the energy going. And that is something we take seriously in our SCADA system, and I think that's going to be great when you integrate it with the ECIO products and use the SQL database to synchronize the data, etc. So
great. Now, when you mentioned software as a big service, do you guys actually customize the energy dashboards for your customers, or?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool. So that's a big company. So what else do you guys integrate? Are you guys integrating lighting and access and security and stuff like that?
Not so much access and security, but everything else, more or less, in a building. Yes.
We also have a lot of different protocols on building. We have like energy metering on BACnet MSTP maybe. We have something that is talking on Modbus TCP IP. and that's one of the advantage of the FG as well, that we can bring everything into one device instead of having a lot of gateways.
Nice.
Well,
Yeah.
I've noticed these people in the Europe, Western Europe especially, are very well versed in engineering, and their education system takes them much further down the road engineering-wise than the American systems integrators. We have a lot of talent too, but these guys all seem to have a very deep engineering background. Did you all get started as engineers? Is your background in engineering?
Yeah, you will be happy to know I got a master's degree from America.
Where? Oh, you told me that. Yeah, it was.
Yeah, in Washington State University.
Washington State. There you
Yeah.
go. Yeah.
So
And you were the field goal kicker on the college football team too, right?
I didn't even try to.
But you could have. You could have for sure.
I can pretend like I could have.
So when you guys look at your business and your business model, what is the biggest challenge you guys see for you business-wise in terms of integration?
I think one of the biggest challenges is backnet. You need to understand it. It's a big protocol, and it's very complicated. And I think one of the biggest challenges is that you also need the customer to understand what you're going to deliver.
Yeah.
And you need to be able to talk together early. Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Snyder Electric has just sent a drone in this thing of a fly to mess our interview up. Watch out for that Snyder drone. But
Yeah.
don't let the drones go.
No. Yeah, as I was saying, I think backnet is one of the most challenging part. We need the customer to understand it. We need the end user to understand it, and also the people that work for us need to understand it. So I think one of the biggest challenges to fly. I think one of the biggest challenges is that everybody is on the same page, and that the people are demanding backnet knows everything about it, and we're going to integrate it needs to know how it works. So yeah.
So I just got a report. That's actually one of Lim's new inventions from EasyIO. Lim now has he's integrated the webcam, which we saw yesterday, into the beast from the east. Now he's actually remote control little flies. Yeah. So if you need to do some inspections, Lim's got that worked in. Well, guys, how do people get hold of you? What's your website?
It's Hoist Energy.
.com. No, yeah.
Yeah.
It's HOIST energy.com. Now the question everybody wants to know is, you guys are going to play golf today. Who's going to win, you or you?
That's easy. That's me.
Tommy's going to win. All right, there you go. Hey guys, thanks so much for taking a few minutes with us. EasyIO, great conference, huh?
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Very impressive.
See you next
We
year.
need to get more people around the world to come here. This has been a fantastic time. And is Mad Mike Marston and Guido and Johan, are they great hosts or what?
Yeah.
Good entertainers.
Yeah, very good. Especially Mad Mike. All right, guys, thanks a lot.
Thank you.